Hey everyone, it's Kyle with Prolux. You guys have been asking for a onboard sprayer for the 15-inch model, and guess what? We have some now. So in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to attach it, give you a brief overview on how to use it. Without further ado, let's get started. Alright, so here is the onboard sprayer. As you can tell, it's neon yellow or green. It's easily slips out of the basket, and here's the mounting for it. You have this bar with two bar pins on top and bottom, and then here is a little bag of the other, or I guess the hardware, and then you have this hose which connects down here at the bottom of the Prolux Core. And then to use it, it's just like any type of pump handle sprayer. Pump it to build pressure, and then when you're ready to dispense the solution, press this button. It'll feed it through the tube to the bottom of the sprayer on the core. And then another thing is you have this pressure relief valve. So what you do is just pull it up. You can hear it hiss. Also, there are some instructions on the side of the bottle. It is 2 liters or 4.5 pints. And then you have a measurement on the side in milliliters, along with some other logo work. When we got this shipment in, it must have been rubbing on the inside of the box because a lot of the logos are kind of smeared. But now I'm going to show you guys how to attach it to a Prolux Core 15-inch model. Alright, so let's get started. Tool-wise, some wire cutters or dikes, and then a Phillips head screwdriver. On the basket itself, there's going to be this little zip tie. You want to snip that off, otherwise the bolt is not going to fit through the bracket. I had to reposition the camera, but go ahead and get a bracket, 2 bolts, and 2 nuts. Get the basket aligned. Put a bolt through each of the hole. If it makes it easier, just put one side on and get a nut started. And kind of make sure you tighten them evenly. Then start tightening them with your fingers. And once they won't spin anymore using your fingertips, slide it into position. Take your Phillips head screwdriver and then tighten it down. If you notice the nuts are spinning, go ahead and get some needle nose pliers to hold them still. But I'm going to start on getting the bottom bracket on. Okay. On the outside. Don't start with your tips. Kind of get it positioned where you want it. And then it just comes down to finish tightening everything. So I got those pliers, I got it on this bottom nut. I can tighten it, I do it on top one as well. So here we have it mounted. You guys can tighten these bolts and nuts as tight as you want them. As long as it doesn't move or slide up and down, you should be good. Go ahead and place the sprayer. And then once you got it all mounted, go ahead and take this tubing or hose and feed it into this bottom hole. And so you guys can see, here is the location. So this is where the tubing goes in at the bottom or the top of the core, and then it feeds up underneath the pad driver up to this little nozzle. And this nozzle or sprayer tip can be adjusted, but you need a wrench. So depending on how much solution you want coming out, if you want more or less, go ahead and adjust that. And there you have it. That's how you mount the onboard pressure sprayer. Alright, so that's going to be it for today's video on how to mount the onboard sprayer to the 15-inch Prolux Core. If you guys have any questions, you can leave a comment down in the comment section below, or send us an email at service@proluxcleaners.com. Hope you guys enjoy it, and I'm Kyle Prolux. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.